At the edge of the chaos, beyond the noise of everyday life, there's a place that doesn't ask anything from you. A place that simply exists. Welcome to Purling Brook Falls, hidden inside Springbrook National Park. What if I told you the peace you are searching for isn't found in doing more, but in walking away from everything? The journey begins like any other. You carry the weight of the world with you, thoughts, pressure, and endless noise. But the moment you step onto the trail, something shifts. The air feels different, cooler, fresher, and real. It pulls you further away from deadlines, notifications, and expectations, and deeper in something simpler. The path isn't easy, it's muddy, slippery, and predictable. But maybe that's the point, because life isn't meant to be claimed and controlled. Sometimes it's meant to be felt. And then the rain comes, soft at first, a quiet whisper through the trees. You could run, you could hide, but instead you stop. You lift your face to the sky and let it fall. The rain doesn't ruin the moment, it becomes the moment. You laugh, you breathe, you let go, because out there, being perfect doesn't matter. Being present does. As you walk deeper, you begin to hear the distant roar, faint but powerful, like the earth. Step by step, the sounds grow louder, stronger, alive, until suddenly you're standing right in front of it. Purling Brook Falls, water thundering down from above, relentless, unstoppable. Mist rising into the air, mixing with the rain, touching your skin like a reminder that you are part of this. You don't speak, you don't need to, because in this moment everything makes sense. No past, no future, just now. So if life ever feels too loud, too fast, too heavy, remember this place. The muddy trail, the falling rain, the roar of the water. Because sometimes the best way to move forward is to step away. If this made you feel something, take a moment, breath, and when you are ready, go find your own escape. If this made you feel something, take a moment, breath, and when you are ready, go find your own escape. Thank you so much for watching the video.